Hi and welcome to Lesson 5 of Lumise Editor for WooCommerce, creating a new printing type and price calculation in Lumise, mastering printing techniques. This video covers how to configure pricing and printing techniques to ensure accurate and fair prices for customizable products. Go to Printing Type and then All Printing Type. Here, you can see a list of printing types already created. To edit a type, click the Edit option. You can also duplicate the type. To add a new printing type, click the Add New Printing option. Now, we are on the Settings page for printing type. Here, you can write the printing type title. You can also upload a thumbnail. Choose a file. Only SVG, PNG, JPG, and JPEG formats are supported with a maximum file size of 5 megabytes. You can also add a description. If you want to enable the printing type, select this option. Now let's move to price rules. Here we'll discuss calculation price. If you want to allow setup for each stage, select this option. The first option is to calculate price with text, clipart, images, upload. Set the price based on the quantity range for each text, clipart, image, upload, vector, and SVG. You can set the stage here. More stages can be added by clicking the plus option. If you want to go with the advanced option, select the yes option. Here, you can add a quantity range and price for text, cliparts, images, vectors, and uploads. For example, if text is added to the design, the text price is added to the cart. This is the same for cliparts, images, vectors, and uploads. You can add more quantity ranges by clicking the Add Quantity Range. In the second stage, set a quantity range, as we did in stage 1. After completing these steps, click Save Printing. Now we'll go to the settings of the product we created. Scroll down and find Lumise Configuration. Click this and then click Edit Base Product. Here you see the option for details. Go to Details and scroll down. Here you see the option for printing techniques. Select the printing type and click Save Product. After completing these steps, click Update. Now we will test the first condition we added. Go to the editor and select the attribute in color. Notice that after selecting the attribute, the price is added. But we also need to add cliparts, images, or text. After adding the image, text, or clipart, the price in the cart should increase. When you add a shape and select a color, the price in the cart should increase. The price is increasing because in the back end, we've set the condition that whenever we add text, shape, image, or clipart, the price in the cart increases. You can add your own conditions in the back end. Now we'll return to the All Printing Type editor. Here are the other calculation price options. First, calculate price with one color. When this option is selected, you can allow setup price with one color of area design. Price of printing equals the price of one color multiplied by the number of colors. You can also enable the advanced option here. You can then add the quantity range, full color, and additional quantity ranges. The next option is to calculate price with size of area design. Here you can set the price for the paper size available. The size shown is the size of the area. For example, if size A0 is selected, the price for size A0 will be added to the cart. This is the same for other sizes. Next is price fixed. Here the price is fixed on each view, front, back, left, and right of the product design. You can add the quantity range and price for each. The next option is to calculate price per line. Add the quantity and price per line. If you want to add more quantity ranges, select the option. These settings are the same as the previous option. If you want the advanced options, you can select Yes. You can add more stages and enter the quantity range. You can add prices for 1 line, 2 lines, or 3 lines. Next is Calculate Price per Character. Select the option and enable the advanced option if desired. Add more stages here. You can enter the quantity range. You can add the price for 1 character, 2 characters, or 3 characters. For example, if 1 character is added, that amount will be added to the cart. Lastly, we'll calculate price with acreage design. Allow setup price with acreage design, square inch per unit. Here you can add a quantity range, more ranges, and the price for each. If you want to add more stages, click the plus sign and add more quantity ranges. With these tools, you can configure pricing that reflects the true value of your custom products while offering transparency to your customers. Well, that ends our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleeker Digital.